Okay, we just have a quick question from Ola saying that please share the list of instruments you have at your portfolios with investing.com. So let's just quickly have a look. What I'll do is I'll show you guys each of these different tabs that we have for investing.com, and then I'll also show you a quick Excel sheet that I just drawn up that you guys can just take a screenshot of for using or finding these symbols. If you just normally type in the exact name into that search symbol there, you should be able to find all of the metrics. Now, looking at equities, it's basically split up into the Asian equities as well as European equities and US, all of them being futures prices. Then turning to the commodity space, there we have copper, Brent oil, crude, WTI, as well as silver and gold. Looking at volatility, in the volatility, we have the S&P 500 VIX futures. We also have bond volatility, which is the TYVIX. We also have oil volatility, which is OVX, and then we also have gold volatility, which is GBZ. Then looking at bonds, we have all of the major central banks bond yields. Now, you'll see that it says 10-year. Now, this is the actual yield. It's not the bond itself, so just keep that in mind. But if you type in the exact same name and just make sure that you choose the yield, that should be fine. Then looking at spreads, the only two really looking at there is LQD and HYG. LQD is investment grade corporate bonds. And then you also have high yield corporate bonds, which is the HYG. And then in terms of currencies, that should be more straightforward. Just one note on the currency section, make sure that you add all of the, let's say you want to look at the dollar, for example, don't put in the traditional Euro USD for that. Obviously, that's going to measure the euro. So make sure that if you want to measure the dollar specifically, to use the dollar as the base in all of them. So traditionally, we don't have a USD pound. We have a pound US dollar. So just make sure to take the reverse option for all of the currencies, making sure that you have the dollar as the base or the euro as the base or the pound as the base, and making sure that you can quickly scan through them so that you don't have to convert which one should be up and which one should be down, for example, in terms of dollar strength. So just make sure that that you have the right base for all of them to have a look at it at a quick glance. And then here is that Excel sheet that I spoke of. If you guys want to take this as a screenshot, that should give you all of the names that we're looking at for both equities, commodities, volatility, bond yield spreads, and then, of course, currencies. Currencies is a little bit further to the downside, but it should be fairly straightforward just by looking at the investing.com. So I hope that helps out there, Ola. If there's any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask.